Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get WhatsApp app installed on your Windows PC. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Microsoft Store, so you should be having it on by default right here. It looks like this, or if you can't find it, then simply click on the search in this toolbar and find Microsoft Store. Open it. Then inside we can look for the WhatsApp, it's right here, but if you still can't see it right there, then simply find WhatsApp. Now we can download it. Open the app. Here, click on begin. Now you just need to scan this QR code with your phone and you will set up the WhatsApp on your PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.